Right, welcome ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday I decided to go peat free for the rest of this year and next year. So I ordered 2 lots of peat free compost because I'm trying them all out, because I've got a lot of plants using compost, so seedlings, that sort of thing, potting on in baskets. But this has just arrived, Levington's peat free multi-purpose. So what I'm going to do with this, I am going to open it and let's see what's actually in, what the consistency is. Right, let's get this open, shall we? Got some new scissors somewhere, I think these are them. Let's have a look here, shall we? Don't forget, I'm not seen inside before. I'll read some reviews, the reviews look pretty good. I think you can always go on those. And that, I am really pleasantly surprised with that. That is a lot better than I thought it would be. Yeah, there is, how many litres in here? Should it say? Like there's 40 litres in here. So yeah, it smells nice. I always want to smell composting. It feels nice. So it's not too wet. Yeah, it smells nice and soily. It shouldn't smell horrible. It shouldn't smell rotten or anything. And I've read some peat free compost have a lot of wood in. This has got some wood fibre in, but you see that there, it's nicely broken down and it's not white. I've seen some of the peat free compost, it looks like it's just been shredded, the wood, and just put straight in it. It's not being left to deteriorate and start rotting down. So yeah, I should be using this to start my seeds off. I shall post the video when the other compost comes, hopefully today. And I've ordered several packets of seeds and I'm going to try all these out. So try the same seeds in 2 different sites. But yeah, I've opened that and fluffed it up. That is so nice, that. If it performs like it looks and like it feels, this will be a good replacement for my peat-based compost. I'm well happy with that. I know it's a bit more expensive to buy peat-free compost, but it's definitely worth it. Looking at this, definitely. So yeah, that's unboxing that. That's my first lot that's arrived today. And like I said, I think it's 40 litres. I might have got that wrong. But yeah, if you've got any questions about anything on my website, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.